topic is called Simplifying a Ratio of Polynomials, problem type 1. So a ratio is a fraction, and we're going to need to simplify the fraction by factoring each part of the fraction, the numerator and the denominator, and then we should be able to cancel after we factor. So in the numerator, we can factor that trinomial to y in each one, and we need two factors of 21 that add to 10, and that would be 7 and 3. In the denominator, we can factor out a 4, and we'll get y squared minus 3y minus, how many times is 4 going to 72? 13, I think. Let's see. I'm going to divide that real quick. 18. Okay. 72 divided by 4 is 18. There we go. So we can factor this, I'm sure. Two factors of negative 18 that add to negative 3 would be negative 6 and positive 3. There we go. So we're going to be able to cancel our plus y plus 3, and that will be our final answer, y plus 7 in the numerator. In the denominator, we have 4 parentheses, y minus 6. All right, let's do another one. All right, so let's just up here, we'll factor out our 2 in the denominator really quick. U squared minus 9u plus 8. There we go. Now when we factor the numerator, so we need two factors of 24 that add to negative 11. 24 is 8 times 3. Yes, 8 and 3 add to 11. If we make them both a negative, that will work. And then we have our 2, and we're going to factor this denominator, a negative 8 and a negative 1 would give us that positive 9. Oops, didn't do 1 right there. So u minus 8 will cancel. That'll be the only thing that cancels. Not that part. We need u minus 3 in the numerator. Denominator 2 parentheses u minus 1. End parentheses. Okay, let's just do one more. Okay, here in the denominator again, we'll factor out a 2, w squared minus 1, which we can use the difference of 2 squared on that one. So in the numerator, we'll factor that first. 2 factors of negative 3 that add to positive 2. Be positive 3 and negative 1. And then w squared minus 1 factors into w minus 1, w plus 1, which means we can cancel our w minus 1. We're left with w plus 3 divided by 2 parentheses w plus 1. And that's the end of our lesson.